In this video, we will continue second and third questions of exercise 5.1 arithmetic progressions. So, let us start. In second question, see, we have to find first four terms of AP, where first term is given to us is small a, it refers to first term, and small d, it refers to the common difference. So, why common difference? Because we know the difference is same for all the terms. So, that is why it is known as common difference. So, a and d, it is given to us and we have to find first four terms of AP. So, how to find these terms now? So, one formula is there. That formula is very simple, but according to the term, see, a will be our first term, as I have already told you, and second term it will be a plus d. A plus d will be second term. Third term it will be a plus 2d. Fourth term it will be a plus 4d, a plus 3d. See, whichever term you are finding, you have to multiply d with the previous number. Like if we are finding fourth term, it will be a plus 3d. So, a we have to add in all the terms and d we have to multiply with the number previous to that term. So, for if I have to find 10th term, for example, so 10th term it will be a plus 9d. We are adding a in all the terms, but we are multiplying d with the previous number of that term. So, let us find now. So, first four terms we have to find. So, for first four terms we can write down the formula. A directly we can write, a is 10 as it is given to us. So, second term we can write a plus d, 10 plus 10 it is 20. Third term, like I have told you, a we have to add and d we have to multiply with the previous number. So, d is 10 and it has to be multiplied by previous number, which is 2. So, this is first term, this is second term and this is third term, a plus 2d, 10 plus 10 plus 2 into 10, which is 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. So, first four terms we have to find. Four term. So, what will be the formula? So, it is a plus 3d, 10 plus 3 into d, d is 10. So, 10 plus 30 which is equals to 4. So, if I write the sequence now, it is 10, 20, 30, 40. So, let us write it down, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, first four term of this sequence is I have written here. Now, let us do the second part. I have already written the values of a and d. A is equals to minus 2 and d is equals to 0. See, it is like very much clear. If there is no common difference, that means all the terms will be same. Common difference 0. See, all the terms will be minus 2, because when we subtract same number only we will get 0 as our answer. So, still we have to find by using these formulas like I have told you. T1 I will write. So, T1 is our first term and it will be always equals to a, which is minus 2. So, T2 it is a plus d into 1. So, d into 1 we are simply writing d, because 1 into any number will be the number itself. So, a is minus 2 plus d is 0. That means second term is equals to minus 2. Let us find the third term now. So, like you can write down the formula of third term. You can do this question along with me. Like third term, I have told you we have to add a and we have to multiply d with the number which is previous to this. So, third term we are following the preceding number of 3 is 2. So, a is minus 2, d is 0, 0 into 2. So, minus 2, 0 into 2 is 0, minus 2 plus 0 is equals to minus 2. Let's find fourth term, a plus 3d. 3d means that 3 is getting multiplied by d. So, minus 2 plus, we are just substituting the values of a and d. A is given to us minus 2 plus 3 into d. 3 into d is 3 into 0 as d is equals to 0. Minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. So, it is equals to minus 2. So, we have found all the 4 terms. It's minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. See, and I have already told you at the starting itself, when the terms are same, only in that case the common difference will be 0. Let's do the next part now. In third part, value of a is 4 and value of d is minus 3. So, same way we have to find the first 4 terms, same formula. Term 1 is equals to a, it's equals to 4, t2. Second term it is equals to a plus 1d or 1 into d, 1 no need to write. A is 4 plus d is minus 3. 4, see 2 signs together, we have to make it a single sign and then we can solve it. Plus minus minus, 4 minus 3 is 1. Third term is a plus 2d, like a we are adding in all of these term and d we are multiplying with the previous number of this term. So, third term means we are multiplying d with 2. A is 4 plus 2 into d, d is minus 3. 4 plus 2 into minus 3, 2 into 3 is 6 and this minus sign as it is we have to write. So, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 4 again 2 signs together. So, first we have to make it a single sign, plus minus minus 6. So, 4 minus 6, again plus minus is minus but the sign which is with a greater number. So, 6 minus 4 is 2 but with 6 minus sign is there and 6 is a greater number. So, the answer will be minus 2. Fourth term, formula is a plus 3d, a is 4 and d is minus 3. 4 plus 3 into minus 3, 3 into 3 9, but it will be minus 9 because minus sign is there. 2 signs together, we have to make these 2 signs single sign. So, plus minus minus, 4 minus 9, again minus plus minus, the sign which is with a greater number. 9 minus 4 5 and with greater number which is 9, minus sign is there. So, it is minus 5. See, after finding all the 4 terms, we can see, we can check also. First term is 4, second term is 1, third term is minus 2 and fourth term is minus 5. See, after finding these terms, you can check whether the common difference is same. So, this way you can check whether you have found the correct sequence or not. We can check 1 minus 4 because common difference whenever we are checking, it should be successive term minus the preceding term. 1 minus 4, not 4 minus 1, it should be 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus plus minus. So, 4 minus 1 3, sign which is with the greater number. So, with greater number minus sign is there. So, minus 3, it's same. One more we can check. So, minus 2 minus 1, minus minus plus 2 plus 1 3 with a sign which is with a greater number. So, minus 3, that means our sequence is correct. Now, let us do fourth part. See, fourth part is also similar. First 4 terms we have to find. This part you can do along with me and just refer it after finding your answer. First term is a, I can write it as a1 also and t1 also. This a is minus 1. Second term a2 or t2, it is a plus d. A plus d. A is minus 1 plus d is 1 by 2. So, this because fractions 1 by 2 is a fraction. So, fraction we can only add by taking LCM in case their denominator is not same. Here 1, see nothing is there, so we can write 1 so that we can easily take the LCM. So, LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. we can divide LCM with the denominators and then we can multiply that answer with the numerators. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus plus minus in the sign which is with a greater number. 2 minus 1, 1. With greater number, minus sign is there. So, minus. It will be minus 1 by 2. So, second term is minus 1 by 2. Let us find third term now. Third term, same formula, a plus 2d. A plus 2 into d. A is minus 1 plus 2 into d is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Two numbers with opposite sign will always give us 0 as our answer. Fourth term, a plus 3d. A plus 3d. A is minus 1, 3 into d. d is 1 by 2. So, minus 1 again we can just write as 1 by 1 because it will be minus 1 by 1 plus 3 into 1, 3, 3 by 2. So, addition of fractions, that is why we have to take the LCM and then we can solve it. So, 1 and 2 if we take the LCM it will be equal to 2. 2 you can divide by the denominator. 2 divided by 1, it is 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus plus minus in the sign which is with the greater number. 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. And with greater number plus sign is there, so it is plus 1 by 2. So, terms if we write, first term is minus 1, second term is minus 1 by 2, third term is 0, fourth term is plus 1 by 2. So, these are the first 4 terms of this sequence. Now, let us do the fifth part of this one. Here a is equals to minus 1.25 and d is equals to minus 0.25. So, first term is a, T1 is our a which is equals to minus 1.25. Second term, same formula we will use which we have used in the previous parts. For second term, we write it as a plus d. A is minus 1.25 plus d is minus 0.25. So, minus 1.25, here two signs are together. So, whenever two signs are written together, we have to make those two signs as one single sign. Plus minus is minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Minus minus is plus. So, let us add these two. 1.25 plus 0.25. So, it is 1.50. See, minus minus is plus, but the sign should always be that which is with a greater number. So, this is greater number and with greater number minus sign is there. So, minus 1.50. This is our second term. Let us find third term. Third term, it is a plus 2d. A is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. See, 25 directly you can multiply by 2, you will get 50 and 2 decimals 1, 2. 0.50, but this minus sign is also there. So, with our answer also minus sign will come, because in multiplication whenever only one minus sign is there, with our answer also we have to write minus sign, because the answer will be negative in that case. Again here two signs are together. So, when two signs are together, the first thing which we have to do is to make these two signs as single sign, plus minus minus 0.50. Again minus minus plus, so we can add these two, 1.25 plus 0.50, so it is 1.75. 1.75, but the sign which is with the greater number. So with greater number minus sign is there, so minus 1.75. Let's find the fourth term now. T4, formula of fourth term a plus 3d. A is minus 1.25 plus 3 into d. D is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. See, 3 into negative number, our answer will also be negative. So 3 into 25 is 75. So 2 after 2 decimal from right, after 2 digits from right side, we have to put a decimal sign. It will be 0.75, 0.75. Two signs are together here. First we have to make these two signs as single sign. Minus 1.25 plus minus minus. Minus minus plus and the sign which is with a greater number. So we can add 1.25 plus 0.75. So it is 2.00 or 2 we can write, but with the minus sign, because minus sign is there with the greater number. So our four terms are, first four terms is 1.25 minus 1.50 minus 1.75 and minus 2. These are the first four terms of this sequence. Now let's do the next question. This is third question of exercise 5.1. In this question we have to write the first term and the common difference. These four sequences are given to us. These are already APs and we just have to write A and D. So A, as in this sequence, whatever is written as the first term, that term will be the first term of this sequence. So 3 is written at the starting. That means the first term of this sequence is 3. Now common difference you can find by doing subtraction of any preceding term from the successive term. So I can do this also, 1 minus 3, we can do minus 1 minus 1 also. So any of the term, the common difference will be same since all of these are APs. So 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 plus minus minus 3 minus 1 is 2 and the sign which is with greater number. So minus 2. D is equals to minus 2. You can check, see, minus minus, if we do subtraction of these two terms also, minus 1 minus 1, minus minus is plus, the sign which is with the bigger number. So all the two numbers are same, so that means minus 2 is the answer, or you can always remember minus minus is plus with the minus sign. So common difference is minus 2. Now let's do the second part. A is the first term which is written over here, which is minus 5, and D. D you can do either subtraction of either by doing subtraction of these two terms or these two, any of the two terms, but the terms should be consecutive terms. So minus 1 minus minus 5. Don't ignore the signs as it is. We have to do subtraction. So here it should be subtraction, and 1 minus sign is already there with 5. So minus 5 as it is I have written. Minus 5 minus minus plus 5. Minus plus minus and the sign which is with a greater number. So 5 minus 1, 4, and here with greater number plus sign is there, so plus 4. So common difference is 4. You can also check. 7 minus 3 is 4. So if you do the subtraction of any of the two terms, the common difference will be same. Any two terms you can choose. So here if I write the value of A, the third part, the given sequence is this. The first term is 1 by 3, that means the value of A is 1 by 3. Now common difference we can find by doing subtraction of any two terms. So D I will write 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Since denominators are same, so directly we can do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is the common difference. You can try with other terms also, you will get the same common difference. In fourth part, this is the given sequence. First term is this one, so this is our A. Common difference, we can do subtraction of any two terms, these two or these two or these two. So 1.7 minus 0.6. See, if you are choosing these two, if it should be 1.7 minus 0.6. If these two, then 2.8 minus 1.7. See, successive term, the term which is afterwards, that should be written at first and then the previous term. In this way you have to do subtraction. So 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6, 1. It's 1.1. You can try with these two also, and with these two also you will get common difference as 1 by 1. So second and third question of this exercise we have completed in this video, and the fourth question I will continue in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.